This is my today's harvest, beautiful red amaranth. And today I'm going to harvest all green leafy vegetables. So this is grown out very beautifully. So I'm going to and cook it all together because red amaranth I don't have a in a big quantity, but it's quite a lot for the beginning. So I always try to pinch it with my hand, and if it's too hard, then I use kitchen scissors and garden scissors. But this is not that hard, so I'm going to pinch it. Red amaranth is very healthy. Um, it's full of nutrition. You can also, the stems are edible along with leaves. So this is what I have. I have picked some tomatoes also. This is radish. Radish I've harvested along with the root of the radish, but now this I'm keeping for seeds. So I'm just going to harvest the leaves. I have about 3 to 4 plants which I've kept just for leaves. This is white amaranth, and I'm going to harvest all the leaves of white amaranth. White amaranth is also very healthy, the leaves, and I have some more radish leaves I'm going to harvest. So all this vegetable I'm going to cook together with a little bit of spices. So this is my harvest for today. I hope you enjoyed it.